Mura wantu wa minto. Biamo online de karibu turakuwa na mangana abiri atatu. Ingana nere twabire tugukuonera matuka mange, especially gutoro online. Ngaba Kenya babwate memory nke nande bakweba bwangu. Nakiye kogero gusanginga scandal yatokeire. Toye kuonera matuka abiri atatu twewa. Kwa sanginga Joki Maribe na tugatene shida gete. Mumurode rwo kujowi. Twakuonera matuka abiri atatu. Gente kionde tayo raba interested kuonera sai. Wasanginga Ruto onyoru ne scandal ya Kimwere. Tote bunga iwa mangana yenaranda investigation ibinte biera. Taketera otora kwani de bintu bibiri bitatu. I said a point ya nenda de go pass across especially as say ngincho ntwa Kenya twatwarire tradition yogo kanga igento kigocha na gweta kumbe ngakietwa anyoru ne igento gitari gweta igento kirororo andito kire ku face na andito handle igo asubwango akego tetukwanire nga how quick things can change. Umathenga kaka anaitwa King Kaka na so kitiko tera kata wajinga sisi tukakaganga ni revolution ya chakire kiro muntu agachangamkia kuga trend pako Okiondo na korete episode ya wajinga nyinyi, lakini binte bibigocha aba Kenya tore ready ko manyanga ikigocha na ndegi yaita munyorete asemia ke yonsi njenara beire moyo na ndenaro politics ya Kenya chigochezo asa politics ya bere chingao sana wetani chirichia nak Kenya nak ya ruseti kanu echine chire chichio mwako nchiarenge unique sana especially ekero twanyorete nga after swearing in ya Raila omumurori ondoro kuru kumuguna mbiguna akaba deported otakire ko mu Kenya ikabe story nene twari kukwanira but later a surprise ekaba surprise of the 5-year term and then yari kuru ku handshake igachanga mukiro buya especially n'abantu bari baringe nsemo ya code ose yari kuru kunga nasa wangana itoka ya kwanira lakini wana taito chakirabu paka toikeri tukoria rero imiaka ya rere kuru handshake yako. Handshake has been the biggest word in Kenya for a long time for these years kurudiria koro but we cannot even handshake singinje ya corona abantu tuanche ine twar ko hagan na ko nyunyuntana woni gumuntu more nero kumushuku singinje ya corona but still to gene tengaki ose a tradition yetu tupata wa Kenya nga ikikegocha na ndegiyete rero ngo kwana kitariki 3 cy'umunsi nyo kane umwaka 2020 rero tu akoni family unga tuikire cases 110 abantu babira confirmed positive of coronavirus lakini norigereri semo chinyinge cha Gusii abantu mbarashto kiragente kenegunga mutai kagwe na wakrugo sies bobo chenu se health akwana nga banta bangi bagotebanga abare quarantine defense pi na kido de monto jirani anata yona kotara monto na quarantine kurwange na semenyete abo bagukun monto tara kwanga na sende abo ba to kire positive monto itayo manyete yani nga mukenya tayo confirm ngine family member go say ne relatives no monto manyete tutagete toganye paka omonto manyete ko so monto kwa bere in contact with atwari shido mako ba serious a handshake yarenge gento to komera naiga na sama tanga ko sasa bantu bate bunga ki tora handshake torago kregenti ki to kwandi handshake but that's a story of the past for now. We don't know how long it will take na ndo tuchaga kwandi handshake in the light and happy modes we used to do. Amatanga chikanisa next school asupo mabwa bonsi yongo kwani rorante gerere ndiri omweri school chia siegetu yetarie mekomo ingakiye chirusa chitaraika na ande still gente kinkiare go kwanero ngichit ko story nene lakini abana na wasiegete boniga but on the you afford go complain asiki there is a bigger devil, there is a bigger demon in the house. Yere corona tari Kenya yoka chinse chons schools njiriko gendwa chikanisa neme sigiti chisikire. When was the last time asobo mavoito nchibunangi nyorete tinana koiguri tuko eserekari kurwe odanga kanisa nchiriko chiu bo mabwana bonse nchitina igona koigenteke lakini still tumanye thenge kinege ntukirache ande kegende. But we need to participate. When you we need to participate in kicking it out of Kenya or in playing safe by taking the guidelines. Nango kwa negarero mwise kenaro gutugutua sensemo ya masimba oringo mosani ono krokudorin. Dorin no mosani ono lakini arko nyara kwa na matanga. I'm mourning her and I'm grieving lakini tingo nyara kwa na matanga. Ebu kwa tabanga enga keneke ebitondo biratindekane byuka like toko cha kukuminga muswati mino sirire kosimama mino kosemoiri kiosirire kosemosaniki. You will be fighting for your life. It's personal and individual. By default okawa selfish. But timanyete bado tumanyete ngekeneke ntuke kocha une propaganda kichinande kegenda. When was the last time tutamanye tingandika chisukuru chirego? When was the last time kuchiritu waragota banga abari mutiga bakanu wairane school? When was the last time tutamanye tinga what tomorrow holds for us? And the sole reason is coronavirus. But still maybe most of us think etoganye tegente kegechi and kegende bune bindi byarachire byachire. Muntu naro kwane tegente getasigete nande nkaranga kirabe more real kubwa imagination situations. Kero muntu nabwate dreams. No bwate dreams chiago, no bwate bintu tate kwa achieve. Asobog mabwao. Nyomo tarakwa. Kero muntu nabwate ambitions. Even Ruto nabwate chi ambition choko president 2022. Earlier on mwari geretinto kwane tene deputy governor ya Kisii County Mangi. Nawate ambitions chokobe governor Kisii County 2022. Pati mbariko kuwane rabinte biboniga. Mu comment mbariko kuwana. BBI eliraira barenge kuminyoka all over. Teriko kuwane. It's a lesser issue. The real thing abantu bakumereti omonene no moke etajiri maskini coronavirus. But somehow abantu bari bado tokenete ko gaganga ki. This is a story. It's a propaganda. It will come and go. But the government, if they go correct, and I deliver a roast mask. Can take Kenyan. Can take global. And if there is an enemy, we need to stand up against. No kuetigaria se okungaina nanga nyarebe World Bank, World United Nations or anybody will have time to come and attend to our problems. Onye ntori to take precautions. Tigere Italy na chinse Italy, China, Spain. Ne chinse chibuate economy is strong by far gotobwa. Patimbaranya arakonyora means to fight coronavirus. Are we justified by any means? This is something to watch and understand. If we don't take part, I want to comment. To news. When was the last time ever since Jitinana Koronah history? Timanyeti maybe Karawa World War 1 and 2 chara kana. Nana korra major events no Olympics chiko were cancelled. Nana korra major leagues kama English Premier League, La Liga, Bundesliga, even our home league, Kenya Premier League, chiko were cancelled for one reason. Egerta bana barisiko. It will affect sector emo ki affect kirigento. Jene fan ya English Premier League aseno. Awanto nturko watch games. No so super sports ai content te yongeni otatika bakona go to replay hivi nto bibeto. Bibiani bibikoro. NDIZI TV abantu mwari go tune in kila rituko saa 10 nduriko produce bibindi bigeni comedy eri mwanjete Okiondo tayo Antivirus tayo Bochaberi tayo Gesare tayo Nyomenda tayo Sigara tayo because they are taking precautions bakare nyomba tari ikira kigendu kyo gatho korentu tari ngato wenjo igota produce korra tori comment chaino mo tabanga to chagire ko lose direction. But do you know why? We take it seriously. We can't afford to come on board tomerane to chake ko produce. Timanyeti wasam careful enough. But I know there are people who are not careful as much as I am. I want to be even more careless. You want to find somebody to point a finger to. We waiting a kangana blame the government. Kangana blame muntu get. But to atebi with personal. You can take a nigoro diago. Olympics chavire cancelled. League chavire cancelled. Kanisa njiriko gendo. Matanga tariko gendo. Abantu mwari ko chikoba we abari ko chikonyora go take step here muhimu asobo mwabu no konyoma maybe chi wedding chariko ko this time round. I know there are people who are postponing. I know there are people who are result to okora marriage wedding yeah family members ko soko gana na satoni asengenjo gatherings njiri accepted. Businesses chavera affected sai stock exchange but we might take understand graph chiri modigereri things are bad. Etaoni yetu ya Bosongo etu akarura abantu bande bakarura late kusoko transnight town okutara no street sai a curfew nero even more than that curfew in Rusi butinga because umuntu narora very comfortable also in any of our social places in town clubs or anywhere ko interact na tuare ko interact abantu bagotenga bakabagirira murirana paka serum etari ventilated lakini tore still okay. Ngomanyete nga Kenya njaga produce njitina manyete nga Kenya njaga produce masks china ronga givinte bina obiko kore ruga Kenya ibindi bao. But I realize you need an international certification to produce masks na even sanitizers. Iki Kenya tokonya totari gokora ndi kwa na kuigunga totakire by force kubeke mask abantu ba boda boda ndi mu abeterereti kuno nyamati anyoje takate abarichi kubugodo yomo yomo beka helmet. Somehow Kenya tubate a way to go around the stories pago chacha wiki mbili tatu bazigari babe kukera 7 to be change mambi to agendera. But do you think this is something we can walk around or work around? This is serious. Ono rero igato atakire onyendiri yarenge ngane ngakia kawaida kangarera abantu bandi NDIZI TV tumera nabo si togoke na ndeturi mbori na ndeto bakire chingo bikegera ngagate tutigare tikosina abantu 50 gatuiki 50,000 subscribers tutigare tia abantu abake sana kangaboni gango celebrate tore. But I don't know what to do, whether to be happy about it or not, because I don't know where we are headed tomorrow. But because somebody has to go to Mambi, it doesn't mean you be careless. Dendo yo mino na weekend. Anything we achieve today will not make sense if we are not there tomorrow. Umuntu naro kwane tenge tokena nata tekotewa alia na ndegia kiaminyo kake. Umuntu naro tenga 2020 is not a year to make it in life. It's a year to survive. Nima etono wate chi dream, wate chi ambition, wate savings yokore utakora ABCD, which is good. Lakini ono mwaka igentege tangani utakire gukora no make sure you are alive. Survive, live through the pandemic. Abantu baminto itari story ya kawaida ya Kenya tumaitenga it will come and go. We have to be active, just like mangyate betenga akwata Jeff Kennedy nga abantu bakona kuburinkie government ya tokorere ayenke okorere government or rather nkyo wekorera yo monyine. You need to stand out, stand up and be counted. In this case, when you're part of the solution, you are definitely part of the problem. To a very disturbed ne curfew abasigari bakoitabanto, it was very disturbing even though we are recorded in Mombasa. But again, another thing, ene kero Bill Gates arukuwa na tevenga it will be hard on sub-Saharan countries. Asengencho ntori no enable ko stop economy yaito utwar ko work towards karo urwa so eten power that nga ada to make Kenya 24-hour economy. Lakini we need to reduce the time or even stop moving or doing anything. Ntori able ko kora take. Lakini what option do we have? Do we die as fools or die trying to be alive? Abantu bamintu abayibori baitumbare baramasabu abana baminta bake abasani boni ganko ta point blank tutamanyeti how safe they are or how safe we are. So ndo kuminyo kwanda kubakwani singenjo maybe we are affected na ndege ntekeke ko itabantu babwate immunity re disturbed age na abantu bare myakere advanced kidogo osabana bake oigweto enda kubarora kina boras ni kubarora if you really care about them, because you don't know whether you've been exposed or not. Negente kenkeriko ko erupt once na ebola oramanye where you are. First world countries, America tetigirmaya, Italy is a first world country, China the same, but imorojo na wago struggle. Or I compare Kenya and each country, how much struggle could we go through? So for us to reduce that to even a manageable, at least no you want to survive. Why can't we be responsible for once? But the truth is, things are changing so quickly. A government, there was a government Kenyan government has realized Corona will spread faster during the dark than during the day. Ridicule government. But again, look at it. In fact, what it means to survive. A lockdown is the best way to fight Corona. But into what it means. And this curfew, do you think it's helping us in any way? A curfew, anyway, those are the times naturally abantu the world or Kenya is less active. 7 to 5 in the morning. That's the time Kenya is less active. To roam around. So is it really helping us control the spread? I don't think so. Rather, I think a curfew to prepare for the worst. The worst is a lockdown. A lockdown na bego iko sanginga much as we need help. Anyway, World Bank ya release some funds kokonya ji country nga wachake mobilize food and other things. But a lockdown yekaro ya beire with the Kenya we know, it's the less. There are very less people who can be helped. But we are going into this. Let's prepare ourselves psychologically, even to be assembly, and to accept. Take the cautions. Aba Gusii minto. Origere digo chumaga igana no mutinyo yo mwega. Mutinye weri. Newspaper na news headlines to algo swangi nchirichi. Murkomen ameongea juu ya Ruto. Ruto amesema rally asifai kuendelea. Ruto Raila, Uhuru, Ruto Raila, BBI, Ruto Raila. Ngo ninkukwana igoro ya mtai kawe. Ngo. But monto kiboni gato korora mono. Say TV from the government kubwa mtai kawe. Chiveza cheringe directed to militaries, to the military. Wani gamu montonaro kukwana igoro ya abantu baito probably bakari go Gusii bakari at risk Somalia. It's tough. Waniga, we are at war, not with Al-Shabaab, not with Al-Qaeda, but with the virus, coronavirus. for a long time tu amanyetenga bantu bako exposed to a risk in the battle or in a war na basigari na security forces baito. Lakini boni gaba bantu tubwate babogore tichi bunduki bakurwana on behalf of everybody. People we need to stand behind and support. Medical practitioners baito, nurses, doctors and everybody. These are people batanyare kwerusa na nia. Na werindanga kibatanyare kwerusa na nikurwa so okobe exposed to this virus. In their line of duty esegi atangasiru. In their line of duty onye kubwate musubatu mino bwate oro Nyagetiara ori nurse oro nini. You are worried just the same way karatu kunga basigari mbari Somalia banajeshi mbari Somalia and their families are not at peace. We are not at peace, and this time we are not fighting against each other or against some human enemy. We are fighting Corona. Tigatorende to savere aba Nyagetiara baito na aba practitioners bonds, to savere government, to savere anekero muntu, and we support them. Pagocha italina roje bakodikanga, we are at work for you. Stay at home for us. Ikerte munyo rede karo chikura chiarenge kwako. In fact, national presidential elections. Stay in the screen cheto chiarenge go chencho kusangi bari getting provisional results, confirmed results. China mboro chega chikunya go chenchi. That's what's happening in Italy, in Spain. Screen chabo chikoro kinga new cases kola muntangani, new deaths, total deaths. New cases, yani, graph get the disturbing. One here we are working with new cases. Do you know the next step? Very sad. I pray the sad okwenye. But go change story from watching Mutai Kagwe to watching numbers that are disturbing. May you not be among the number. And the only way is taking the precautions. Again, tokende, this is very personal. Abo Muislamu, abo Mukristo. Obe rugende yonsi kabani religion ende yonsi iwetu munu yongo kwana. Prepare yourself spiritually. At the end of the day, it's here. And nobody can tell what tomorrow brings. Things are changing so fast. Let's change and be responsible for once. God bless you all, and God bless Kenya.